happening, guys? Welcome back to Amaya's Kitchen once again. Thank you for tuning in. And today we have just a quick video how to set up your product collections, and we are going to be setting up automatic collections. That is, when you add a product to the collection, it automatically gets added, or rather, when you add a product to the store, it automatically gets added to a collection. That way you won't need to be manually searching for the collections or manually adding your products to collections. Now, to get to the collections area, we first go to products, then collections from the home screen, and you will probably see this pre-created collection on the home page. I typically just delete this collection and then create a collection. So the first collection we're gonna do is kitchen. And we want the online store availability to be checked, so your displayed on the store. And we want to scroll down to where it says automated. We want to take it from all conditions to any conditions, or to any condition, excuse me, there. And we're gonna just be using tags to sort our collection. So this is kitchen accessories, so like countertops, cupboards, stuff like that. That's what I'll be putting in this collection. Now, want to be more defined, right? And if you've already added products and you have another condition, and the condition could be the title, the type, the vendor, the price, tag, as we've been using the compare at price, weight, inventory, stock, and even a variant title. So you can get pretty creative with how you automatically add your products to your collection. Next, we have the edit SEO section. Click on it. It shows you the page title, kitchen accessories, and later down in the series, when we're doing SEO, we'll go over exactly what to do with this and this little section here before so we'll go over what we're gonna do with this section. It's just for SEO, to get like free traffic from Google and Bing and other search engines. Now we're almost done here. It's just that we need a collection image. Now the collections serve two functions. It's one for functionality and to help sort the products on your store. The second function is aesthetic, because the collection image will be displayed on the website, and we want a nice image to be displayed on our website. So what we'll do is we'll hop over to Canva, well, it's like pixels. want to take any images. Now I already went ahead and I just wanted to show you what the site looks like and how to use it. So you go here, you search for, and you have a bunch of images that come up that you could choose from. They even have videos. Alright. Now Canva is great because you can use it to create graphics. Kind of like Photoshop but free. Online. They have tons of templates. Tons of templates. You could even use it to create your store's logo. They have pre-built logos. You just need to edit them a little, and you'll have a nice logo for your store. Now for the collections, we want to click social media, and we want to go with the 1080 by 1080 pixel because square images look the best for your collection pics. And I'm gonna click create a blank Instagram post. Now I already went ahead and downloaded all the images, so let me just grab those. Alright, we have the kitchen accessories collection unedited, so I name my images so I know where they are. And you can upload multiple images at once, so let's just grab all the images that we need. Bacon. Here, show what we need. So most of the important stuff is image, so we'll just use that section. Click download. I like JPG because they are smaller and that will allow your site to load faster. So kitchen accessories, same breath, let's just do other collections. This is gonna be the bacon collection. Nice, it's just showing what's happening there. And we have bacon collection image. Last but definitely not least, I'm not sure what those are, but looks good for a collection image. And here we are. We have all our collection images. Okay. So much faster. Alright, so we add the image and we just want to grab that. click save. So we'll just do the other two collections, and then once we're setting up the theme, I'll go ahead and show you those. So let's do the image. I don't know. And inch. Inch. And change it. Well done. So guys, if you got value from this today, that would help so much. It will help a lot of persons who need help getting their stores built. YouTube will pick us up. We'll pick up the videos and show it to more persons, and it'll just help the channel grow so much more, guys. So please leave a like. Thank you for coming, and please remember to subscribe.